find my remote control. So I happen to be going in, excuse me, Willow, into the little house that Willow has. And look what I found. Ah, would that be the TV remote? What did you do? Did you take the TV remote? He's taking my keys. Come say hi. Say hi, Willow. You got so big. Look how big he got. Where's the tail? Put the tail up. Oh, don't go on me. Get up there. Come say hi. Come here. Is that how you say hi? Oh, the obsession with the ring. He's the diamond bandit. Say hi. Hi. Can I have my hand back? He is so strong. What? Do you want me to give you something? I'll give you a nut or something. Here, why don't you take your little reindeer baby. Is that your baby? That's the baby. Oh, you dropped him. You gonna go get him? Look at the mess. This is just from like breakfast and snacking.